Action bits. Action bits.
Hello and welcome to this action bit on URL images in Tableau. Step 1, preparation. Step 2, adding the URL images to Tableau. And in step 3, we're going to have formatting and a little bit of fun. So in order to get started, you really just need two things. You need the URL image, location, which is as simple as copying the image address. And then in Tableau, you need to assign the image role to URL. So let's go ahead and do that. So for my purpose, what I wanted to do was gather the titles and authors and ratings of Overdrive books that I've read through the Libby app, which I really enjoy for audiobooks. So out here I went to the Overdrive website and I found Angel of Greenwood and right click, and then I copy the image address. And then I'm going to go over to my Excel spreadsheet where I have my title, author, my image link, the genre, the URL of the book itself, the Goodreads rating, the Amazon rating, and then my own personal rating. And here I brought it into Tableau, that Excel spreadsheet, and I have this Overdrive image link, which is right now just brought in as string. I can simply flip this to image role of URL, and then it's as simple as dragging and dropping onto your rows, and those images appear. So I created this workbook, which is a final product of all of the titles that I've read. Again, nicely formatted with the title, author, the rating. And then I also wanted to spice it up a little bit. I love using tooltips and the images in the tooltips, or graphs or charts in tooltips. And this is just a simple way to do that. So I have this Overdrive image, and then I assign the tooltip here, which has the author, title, and then the sheet of the image over here. And it produced an effect like this, which I was pretty pleased with. So when you hover over the actual rating, the measure, it's going to show the author, title, and image as well. That way, when you have your view in your dashboard, and I might have more titles and they get smaller, if I want to see them bigger, I just hover over the title there. And then I also added the URL, the URL to the book itself, which then when I click on, I can now view on Overdrive. So if you are interested in viewing this workbook I made, it is available on Tableau Public as Jeremy's reading list. And you can simply look for Action Bit URL image headers, and you can look at the books I've read, look at my rating, the Amazon rating, Goodreads rating, and I'll be sure to update this list over time. And that's it for this action bit. I'll see you next time.
Action bits.